What is up, YouTube? Today we are going to give you a tutorial on how to buy reps on Mulebuy. Mulebuy is the agent I will be using to ship out my stuff for this haul specifically. I think Mulebuy is low-key the best shipping agent right now. So I'm gonna show you guys how to find the items, how to put them on Mulebuy, how to pay for them, how to ship them, and then show you in the next video once those items get here. So this is just a quick tutorial if you don't know how to use it. It's fairly easy. It looks confusing, but it really isn't. But yeah, let's get on to this shit. Okay, there's these things called spreadsheets, and some people have websites kind of like a spreadsheet. It's better than a spreadsheet. It's easier to navigate, all that shit. You just have to find certain people that have that. You also can look at people's posts on Reddit and quality check, and they post links in the bottom in the comments. If you want that, I can show you that, guys, later. But right now, where I buy my stuff personally from this other guy on YouTube as well. If you want to see any of the items he's reviewed on his spreadsheet, his channel will be linked down below. But I trust this guy. I think his items are great, and it's kind of my style, the stuff I be wearing, so I think it's a great fit. So once you find a spreadsheet, you know, for example, this is his. There's multiple items, you know, jeans, pants, hoodies, tank tops, underwear, shoes, belts, whatever it is. There's so many options you can look for that's replicated from these designer brands. Not even just designer brands, sometimes streetwear, just regular brands too, honestly. For an example, if you want to buy, like, say, this Margiela rug, these links are gonna take you to Mulebuy from when you click it on here. It's gonna take you to here. Now, the currency is 43 CNY, but USD it's 6.98. I'm sure depending on the price it's different. So you just pick whatever size or whatever. Usually right under where the actual pictures are, like right here, there's usually a quality check on newer items that are released. Not many people order them yet, so they're not on there, but most of the time they're on there, and you can see the item exactly how it will come to your house. So that's just one thing you can look at when you want to check the quality on them. Click please check for the terms, then you add to cart. Once it's in your cart, you select it, 961, and you submit order. Alright, once you click submit order, it's going to show you a service agreement, blah blah blah, doesn't really matter. They're going to show you with the tax and all that. If you guys have coupons, please use them. Please use them. They help so much, take so much money. So you have coupons for certain items at a certain price range, and you also have coupons for shipping. I'm gonna have a link down below if you want to check out my coupons. You'll get $400 off on shipping and items. So if you have coupons, you can select which one. Unfortunately, my $9 doesn't really, you know what I'm saying. See, the minimum fee is $160. 64, whatever it is, you can apply this amount of coupons. I don't have any. After you selected your coupons, you click confirm pay. You can either top up, or you can add a debit card, credit card, PayPal, which PayPal is fire for all the European niggas that been asking for PayPal for all these platforms. So now we got it. So definitely take advantage on those other people over there. And we got Pay by Skrill and Google Play, or Google Pay, my bad. So once you select, it's gonna have a 35 cents fee. It's kind of how it goes. Click pay now, and boom, you enter your credit card info, debit card info, whatever, and then you pay. Once you have paid for your item will notify you when the seller has shipped. Because every single item you buy is not just straight from Mulebuy. It's certain sellers that Mulebuy, it's like a middleman. Once it gets to the warehouse, for an example, all these items that have gone to my warehouse, let's see these. They show you the quality pictures. If you like them, you like them. If you don't like them, there usually is an option to return them. or exchange them, but these have been sitting in my warehouse for a while, so I don't, you know what I'm saying. So, but these look good, everything, all that. Once they get to the warehouse, every item that has got to the warehouse, and the thing is, I would recommend buying at least minimum like 5 kilograms, maybe like 3 lowest, 3 kilograms minimum, so probably like 11 kilograms maximum, because the shipping is just gonna absolutely fuck you. It's just like they kind of just like round it up, you know. So you might as well just buy multiple things so you can get your money's worth when it comes to the shipping. So right now I have a total haul of I think like 11 kilograms. Okay, once your orders are all into the warehouse, you're gonna click warehouse right here in the side. Look at all your items and then make sure they're good, everything's straight. If you have more than 10 items, you want to click 20, and then you click select all. And as you can see, I have a total of 17 pieces, 10 kilograms, and whatever the fuck that is. So then you click submit. I don't know, honestly, I don't know what that means, honestly, but okay, one crucial thing you need to do is remove all packaging. Unless you really want it, you're gonna save at least like $10 pretty much. Well, on shoes you're gonna save like $10. On clothing and stuff doesn't really matter too much, but if you have a lot of items, it's gonna add up. So I recommend removing all packaging if you want to save on shipping as well. So you click remove packaging from all your items, and then you're gonna want to click vacuum sealing. And if I don't really buy corner guard, moisture bag, all that. I mean, moisture bag maybe if you're shipping it through sea, but definitely want to vacuum seal your stuff, because when it goes to customs, it's just harder for them to find it, or it's harder for them to look through things and get it seized. Honestly, getting seized is not really that common. I have not got seized personally, but honestly, you never know. So you definitely want to make sure you have vacuum sealing, and whatever other stuff you really want to add doesn't really matter. It's not too much to add all these other things. But once you have that all good, now you want to pick your shipping line. Once you see the shipping lines, there's only a certain amount you can do with how many items you have or how heavy they are and all that. Me personally, if you really want to wait 35-45 days, honestly go with the cheapest one. But honestly, I'm impatient, I cannot wait that long. So I'm probably just gonna pick this one right here, 6 to 10 days, $270. It's the cheapest one, the fastest shipping. Make sure to have insurance available and tax free, so you don't have to be paying taxes. And if your shit does get seized, you want to make sure you have insurance available. So once you click that, you want to submit. Okay, so this is system declared value. This is basically telling customs what your items are worth, right? So honestly, if you think it's too high, then you can go in manually. And for an example, sneakers. I mean, sneakers is not that bad, $10. Casual pants, like you can go in, put like $4. Hand chain, that looks good. Men's shirt, looks good. All these already automatically already has good auto declaring, and but if you really think it's too much, then you can just go in manually do it yourself. But for today, I'm gonna do system declare value, and I'm just gonna do it by himself. Then you want to make sure showing the free insurance, all that. If you have coupons for your shipping, I'm telling you guys, sign up down below so you can get $400 worth of coupons on this shit. You see what I'm saying? Look at all these coupons I have in here. It's really gonna save you and break you. And if you don't know about the glitch where you just remake new accounts so you get $400 off every single time pretty much, so honestly, it's a fucking win-win. You're helping me out and I'm helping you out. So sign up down below on that link, because right now they have 15% off on your whole fucking shipping haul, and 15% off is really good. This normally, without the 15% off, let's see how much, $342. I'm not paying that much. When you click 15% off, look how much you just saved yourself, fucking almost $50 on shipping. You know what I'm saying? So definitely sign up down below with my link, and yeah, you're gonna save yourself a fucking hassle. Once you have the shipping you want, once you declare it, once you have the coupon in, and once you're ready to ship this shit out, you click submit. And make sure you got your address right, all that shit. It's also gonna take 35 cents again. And then you click that you read the agreement and you click pay now. Okay, now I'm gonna put my credentials in the fucking, you feel me, in here. And we go line up, pay now. Alright, and then once you're paying, it's loading. Okay, it's processing and payment successful. Here we go. Return to your merchant. Payment processing. Let's check this out. Parcel. It should be right here. And once the payment goes through, you'll probably get the shipping out, and you track it and you wait till it gets here. That's pretty much it for the video. Once the package gets here, I'm gonna have a new video out unboxing it, reviewing the items, rating them out of 10, and we're gonna see how good these are. So peace out. It's my first video. Drop a like, subscribe, and yeah, peace.
Damn, Taurus. Yeah.